we are fine and doing well. So friends, in this video we will tell you some Urdu words and her English words and also her sentence in Urdu and also in English. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so number 1 is shuru karo. Shuru karo mean begin. begin. इसका जुमला हो सकता है, इसके सेंटेंस हो सकता है, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू करो. Begin in the name of Allah. Begin in the name of Allah. Okay. Number 2 sentence is maro. Maro means beat. बिल्लियों को मत मारो. It is the sentence. बिल्लियों को मत मारो. Don't beat the cats. Don't beat the cats. Okay, next one is देखो. देखो. Mean behold. Behold. अब मैं आपको इसका सेंटेंस बताती हूँ. देखो वो आ रहा है. देखो वो आ रहा है. Behold, he or she is coming. Behold, he or she is coming. Okay, so next sentence is बुझा दो. Next sentence is blow. Mean फूंक मारो. Blow mean फूंक मारो. मोमबत्ती बुझा दो. Blow the candle out. Okay, so our next one is toro. Mean break. अंडे को तोड़ो. Break the egg. Next one is चुल्लो. Choose. इसका जुमला हो सकता है अपना साथी चुन लो. Choose your partner. Next one is खोदो. Mean dig. घड़े को खोदो. Dig the ditch. मतलब जो घड़ा है उसको खोदो. Next one is करो. Mean do. अपना काम करो. Do your work. Next one is पियो. Mean drink. पानी पियो. Drink the water. Drink the water. चलाओ. Mean drive. मैंने गाड़ी चलाई. I drive the car. मैंने गाड़ी चलाई. I drive the car. लड़ो. Mean fight. लड़ो मत. Don't fight. लड़ो मत. Don't fight. It is the sentence. Okay. Next one is forget. भूल जाओ मतलब forget. Mean भूल जाओ. इससे भूल जाओ. Forget it. Next one is हासिल करो. हासिल करो. Mean get. इससे हासिल करो. Get it. इससे हासिल करो. Get it. मुझे दो. Give me. Give me. मुझे एक पेंसिल दो. Give me a pencil या book दो. कुछ भी. So friends, these are the sentences and words that we tell you. So friends, it is a very important video. So do you like it? So please like, subscribe and share. Okay, take care. We will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. अपना